Unlock the power of Blooket's interface and transform your learning games. Let's dive into the Blooket Graphical User Interface, or GUI, and make your game experience a breeze first. Where on the Blooket homepage, you'll notice the main navigation bar at the top or side thighs is your control center. From here, you can access everything, discover games, create your own, manage your classroom, and check your account settings. Think of it as your dashboard. Ready to unleash your creativity? Head over to the Create section. This is where the magic happens. You'll find options to start a brand new game from scratch. Or if you've got questions ready, you can import them directly. Blooket also offers fantastic templates to kickstart your game creation, saving you tons of time. But what about fine-tuning your games? That's where settings come in. When you're setting up a game, you'll see a settings or options menu here. You can customize crucial elements like the game mode, whether it's a race, a tower defense, or a classic quiz. You can also adjust time limits, point systems, and even how students participate, ensuring the perfect challenge for your learners. Not feeling creative today? No worries. The Discover page is your treasure trove of pre-made games. Browse by subject, grade level, or popularity. Want to see what other educators are using? This is the place to find them. Once you find a game you like, you can either play it as is or favorite it for later. Finally, let's touch on your account settings, accessible from the main navigation. This is where you personalize your Blooket experience. You can update your profile, manage your subscriptions, and adjust notification preferences. It's all about making Blooket work best for you. Mastering these basic GUI elements will empower you to navigate Blooket with confidence, create engaging learning experiences, and ultimately make your classroom sessions more dynamic and fun. It's easy once you know the basics.